the new Ford Falcon.
Well, everyone who has seen the 1961 Falcon is excited.
But I haven't seen it yet.
Oh? I don't believe we've met.
Excuse me. I would like very much to have you meet Pigpen.
Hello, Pigpen.
I'm very glad to know you.
Well, since Pigpen hasn't seen the Falcon yet, let's show it to him right now. This year, the Falcon gives you more power, more luxury, more comfort for 6 people, more of everything that has made it the world's most successful new car.
It must be pretty embarrassing for the other compact cars to realize how they missed the boat.
And you can now select from 2 engines. The regular Falcon engine, famous for mileage, and the new, more powerful Falcon 170 Special.
You get a choice of engines?
That's right.
You have to admire the generosity.
You also have to admire the Falcon's economy. It goes up to 30 miles on a gallon of gasoline.
30 miles is quite a distance, especially when you compare it with what the others give you.
And it goes 4,000 miles between oil changes.
4,000 miles? That's virtually beyond comprehension.
Oh, and that reminds me. The Falcon's diamond luster finish never needs waxing.
Oh, you fucker! Oh, I'm...
You know what you haven't smoked any drugs today.
Yeah, this is why I can't smoke, like, do any drugs. Like, I have stoner conversations with my friends, and I'm not high. And it makes
Yeah,
me
no,
nervous.
to be fair, you make complete sense when I'm fucking stoned. Like, honest to God.
Yeah, you're almost a perfect candidate for like just talk to him in high school and you're like, this is your mind on drugs.
Yep.
I should be in the marijuana commercial.
This is your brain on drugs. Any questions?
Sweet, dude!
Yeah, honestly, just don't end up like this.
Yeah, don't do drugs, you'll end up like me. How the fuck did I get 10 nuts and I'm short too? Yeah, it is lost.
I don't know who the fuck that guy is. Not too bad. A little ugly, but so's your mom. That's gay as hell.
Got metal in that.
So I gotta cut that off and I gotta fucking make that a little more straight.
Gay!
Oh, we still gotta fucking cut away a little more. What did it say?
I don't know, I'll let you know.
Not quite, brother.
What do you need to do?
I still gotta make the chassis side mount on the passenger side of the motor mount. So I gotta put a plate here, run a gusset down, put a plate on this, drill 2 holes, nut and bolt it, and just have it sitting in place. But I won't be making the tranny mount today. I might start playing around with it tomorrow.
And, oh, it's up in the air, or is it sitting on the...
It's sitting on the subframe. But, since it's like this, I just stack washers in between the 2 plates. And then it raises it. I could also do like a little rubber bushing, so that I could have...
You can even do like a collar, if you needed it like a good space up above.
Yeah, whatever I need, right?
That fucking steering column where your heads are is freaking me out though. I mean, not the column, the fucking
This
Yeah,
guy
the
right here.
column. Yeah.
And this?
Yeah.
Yeah, the head, the way how the head sits, it goes like straight up. Probably just gonna do log facing out and then around and here.
That's a lot of heat.
I'll eventually have a turbo here, so I will.
No. Sure.
Right.
Yeah, because there was actually a turboed SN95 that came to my work. The thing ran like shit, and he had a massive, same thing, ran the fucking piping here,
Yeah.
and that
That's what you
thing
gotta
would
do.
not stay cool. He's like, it was overheating all the way from Saskatchewan, and he fucking blew a whole bunch of fucking welds in the exhaust.
Wow.
And I was like,
Yeah, no, I would get a really big rad, and my rad would sit about here. My exhaust would be pretty close to here, so it's a good amount of space, and then I can heat wrap the exhaust, right? And then with the M3 bumper with the bigger hole, I can have hopefully more airflow, right? And then I'll run a big custom fan like I had on my Mustang. That pulls like almost 4,000 CFM.
yeah, sweet.
And then the nitrous will make it run a little colder.
Sure.
Yeah.
Where are you gonna put your Are you gonna have a purge system?
I was thinking like straight up like fast furious shit, like out the hood, like
Yeah.
straight
I was
up.
thinking if I ever run nitrous in this, I'm gonna have it where my grill's supposed to be. I'm gonna have it come out like this, like it's
Oh,
like a
yeah.
like bull, like
Out the grill would
smoke.
look sick, or just straight up like run a line to about somewhere around here and up on a slight angle, like bam, bam.
What you should do.
Or get the M3 fucking. They have little grills right here.
Oh yeah,
Like,
and
shoot
just
out
have
the
it out
grills.
there. What you could do is do what Adam LZ did and just have it come out the passenger side, fucking. So if you have any passengers who are wearing loose clothing, just.
Or run it back into the exhaust so it fucking shoots mad flames.
Oh, that would be sick. That'd be badass. You're just at idle. Fuck, actually no, I kinda wanna do that. The only thing is I don't think I can shoot flames if I'm gonna have my exhaust come from the middle of my fucking
Yeah, you'll have so many bends that'll be hard. I don't know what I want to do yet with the purge. All I know is I want to run 75 shot nitrous.
Yeah, the LS should handle the nitrous. What trying are you running again?
The T5.
Yeah, the tranny
But
should hold it too.
It's got the newer T5 that should be a little bit tougher than like your style.
Yeah.
So hopefully it'll handle.
I would still worry about your axles.
They got the M3 style.
Oh, then you're fine. Fuck.
Yeah.
Okay, realistically, if you gripped up, like put a mad sticky tire on there, went to a drag strip, how high do you think you could lift your front end with a shot of nitrous right off the fucking start line?
I don't think it would lift the front end. I think the front end would lift a little bit, but I don't think the wheels would lift off.
No, I don't think, but how, like, do you think it'd be drastic? Like, oh my god, I think I'm popping a wheelie? Or...
About an inch or two. If I had like a drag shock or a drag coilover, it'd be pretty drastic, but...
Oh, so I decided, I think I'm gonna run 1552s on the car. Like those rally style.
Yeah, yeah.
I made, where's my phone? I made
You find some reps?
no, I'm gonna have the fronts, well, I'm gonna have a set be real, and then I'm gonna paint all my spares white, because I'm gonna run white, and then just get some reps for like 200 bucks.
I was thinking of just buying like 8 sets, like 8 pairs, well 8 in total, not pairs, 8 TE37 reps.
That's
I always wanted to be
what the car I want it to look like, minus that hood scoop, because that's the only hood scoop that it had.
Minus the hood scoop. So orange.
Well, it's gonna be, it's gonna, huh?
What color?
That whole setup, that's what I wanted. It, not
Orange
that
and blue?
hood.
You want to do blue as well?
Oh, I want to stick with my blue.
Okay. Orange and blue, that's totally
With the white
like
wheels?
80s vibes.
Yeah.
I think of Scooby-Doo.
Holy shit, yeah.
Cause like I was like, man, I can keep it black and have it look good, but like there's all these showboaty JDM cars out there. I gotta rep fucking America.
Let's do red, white, and blue then.
And my pedals are red, white, and blue, but nobody gets to see them but me.
I think I'm gonna do a pedal box.
Oh yeah?
Just because my stock gas pedal is a fucking fly-by-wire gas pedal. Floor mount.
Oh, I don't like floor mount.
It is so
I like
weird.
hanging.
Yeah,
Hanging
so
especially for drifting, I like hanging.
I was thinking I'll do a fucking hanging style box for, they're like $350. But, or I could just build a pedal for my gas pedal. And then I'm gonna get the Chase Bay's master cylinder that's a little bit bigger and deletes this fucking big vacuum canister.
Yeah.
And then it sucks it all down there. And then I'll have all this extra room, cut this out, and then it'll be cleaner. And maybe, just maybe, I can run headers up and around, recess the frame rails a little bit, plate it in, and run the header around. If I can do that, that'd be really nice. And then I don't have to run that style.
Yeah, that's just so tight on that side, man.
Yeah, if I, that's the thing is, imagine if all this, this and this was gone, I could recess the frame rail, like take a hole, like the notcher, or just the angle grinder, cut it out, plate it in, and just fucking have a big section.
But then
or
what
two.
about that steering wheel?
Well, I'd have these two go up and around, and these two go down there.
Gotcha, so go around it.
And it'd be a two-piece header.
That'd be cool.
That's what the custom ones are that you buy. You can't even buy one of those because their engine sits like 3 inches more forward.
Yeah.
So that's the one problem I'm running with, is that I am doing something that nobody else has done. I got a mid-engine LS BMW.
That's pretty sick.
That's just crazy, man. Crazy.
Fucking crazy.
And then I gotta get the bracket, because if I do this style, I have to buy all my accessories and mount them up so I know I'm clearing my power steering pump and shit.
That's right.
And I have a hydraulic hose crimper now in my work truck. So I gotta take this fitting off, these two, see what those styles are, get those fittings, like crimp style fittings at a shop, and then figure out what fitting goes into the F-body power steering pump, and make my own power steering hoses. So I can make super high pressure hoses.